Hello, good morning. Hey, still are you playing? Come, come on, fast. Come on. See, ಸಾಲ್ದ ಎಷ್ಟು ದಿವಸ ಆಟ ಆಡಿದ್ದು. Come on. ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀರಾ? You came. See? Okay. Okay, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Very good. Stop playing and come to school. Okay? Good. Huh. Shall I start the lesson? Now I'm telling good morning. Stand up, all of you. Say good morning. Good morning, ma'am. Okay, thank you. ಆಯ್ತು. Now, in the last class, I introduced about first standard lesson and I made you recall all the lesson about animals, plants, vehicles, everything. Okay. Now, directly I want to go to lesson number 1, introduction of animals. Introduction of animals. Take your EVS book. Take your EVS. Second standard children. Please take your EVS textbook. Okay. Open page number 1. 1. Already you have seen on the screen page number 1, lesson number 1, introduction of animals. Okay, good. Now, see, they have given here so many pictures. How many pictures? Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pictures they have given, right? Now, already you have seen this. Can you recognize these animals? Oh, good. ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ರೆಕಗ್ನೈಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಲ್ಲ. Already you know this. Okay, you know this animal already. Which animal is this? First one is dog. ನಾನು ಬರ್ದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ already. I wrote the name of this animal. You also write in the gap, in the space. See here. Then next animal, which animal is this? Do you know? Good. Cow. Cow, right. Now next animal is, which animal is this? Do you know this? Have you seen this? Yes. Sheep. Which animal is this? Sheep. See? Sheep. Next one is fish. You got it? Okay. Next, fifth animal is animal. Oh, okay, okay. This is bird, not animal. Okay, good. Very good. Bird. Which bird is this? Crow. Crow. You know this crow? Okay, good. Next. Okay. Ant. Right. Ant. Okay, ant. But is this an animal? Yes, this is also animal, but it is very small animal. Okay. See, these are all ರೇರ್ಡ್ ಅನಿಮಲ್. ಮನೇಲಿ ಸಾಕ್ತೀವಿ. ರೇರ್ಡ್ ಅನಿಮಲ್. This also ರೇರ್ಡ್ ಅನಿಮಲ್. In water it is living. This is animal, but it is a bird. This is an animal, but also a bird. Birds are also animal. Okay. This ant is also an animal. Animal. Idu kuda animal. Small animal. Okay. Iga, what you have to do now, in your book, already you are, I know you have already done this page. Work mugsidira. But again I'm telling, those who are not done this work, you must write these animals' name. Okay. Okay. Shall we go to next page now? Next page came. This one is page number 2. 2 is very tough. ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಓದೋದಿದೆ. ಇನ್ನು ಆಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀರಾ ನೀವು, ಬೇಗ ಬೇಗ ಬಂದು ನೋಡಿ, ಮನೇಲಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಹೇಳಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಬಂದು ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀರಲ್ಲ. ಸಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಒನ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್. ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯು ರೀಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್? Write the names of some birds you have seen in your location, in your nearby your house. Have you seen some birds? Yes, I have seen. So you just write here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 birds name you must write. I will not write here. ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆಯೋದಿಲ್ಲ. Take your parents' help and write down here 5 birds names. After writing names, birds names, you send it to what? ವಾಟ್ಸ್ಆ್ಯಪ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕಳಿಸ್ಬೇಕು. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ವಾಟ್ಸ್ಆ್ಯಪ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಇದನ್ನ ನಿಮ್ಮ ನೇಮ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಕಳಿಸ್ಬೇಕು. ರೈಟ್ ಯುವರ್ ನೇಮ್ above the page, and then you write it and send it in the assignment group. Okay. Next, one more question is here. Which is your favorite bird? Which is your favorite bird? Sparrow. Okay. Right, peacock. Sparrow is a very small bird. Peacock is very colorful bird. Which bird? Your favorite? Which bird? Which is your favorite bird? You can write here. My favorite bird is, ನೋಡಿ, my ಅಂತ ನೀವು ಸೇರಿಸಬೇಕು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. My favorite is here. Favorite bird is. Here you should write my favorite bird is peacock. Then answer because. Why? They are asking why. Why? Peacock has colorful feathers. You must write here. Okay, you write. Take your parents or brothers, sisters help and then fill it in the lines. Okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ fill up ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay, next one, red gap is this. Here one sentence they have given. What is this? Birds are animals. ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, I already told you what? Birds are animals with beak and wings. Beak. To eat the food, it has beak. It has no teeth. No teeth. No tongue. No lips. But birds have beak. Birds have wings. Wings to fly. The birds need wings to fly in the air. Okay. So birds are animals, but it has beak. See, this one is beak. Okay. Beak and wings. Okay. Next, one picture is here. Very nice picture. What is there in the picture? What is there? Here, what is this? This one is tree. Yes, tree. Then so many birds are here. Why the birds came here? Why? Because you, the children, put some grains for birds to eat. So birds came for eating grains. Grains ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಹಾಕ್ತೀರಾ, ಕಾಳೆಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕ್ತೀರಾ, ತಿಂಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕ್ತೀರಾ, ರಾಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕ್ತೀರಾ. ಸೊ ಬರ್ಡ್ಸ್ಗೆ ನೀವು ಕಾಳು ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ಅದನ್ನ ತಿನ್ನೋಕೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ. You have scattered some grains below the tree for eating. So many birds are coming. Understand? For eating. Okay. Now, have you seen ant? Ant, have you seen? See, I show one picture here. Can you see? Look here, children. Here are 3 ants. Look. Can you see? How many ants are here? 3 ants. Okay. Have you seen? Have you seen? One more question is here. See? Have you seen an ant? ನೋಡಿದೀರಾ ಆಂಟನ್ನ ಇರ್ವೆನ ನೋಡಿದೀರಾ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ನೋಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಆಸ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಸಮ್ ಮೋರ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ರೈಟ್ ದ ನೇಮ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ 3 creatures similar to an ant. Already I wrote mosquito. ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು mosquito ಬರ್ದೆ? Why I wrote mosquito? Because this is ant, no? They are asking similar to an ant, one more creature they want. Not one, they are asking 3. But first you must write 1. Okay, mosquito I wrote. But mosquito, how it becomes mosquito? You put ನಿಮ್ ತರನೇ ನೋಡಿ ಗಲಾಟೆ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಅದು. See, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ. Shall I put here wings? It becomes mosquito. ಗೊತ್ತಾ mosquito ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಸೊಳ್ಳೆ. ನೋಡಿ, ಆಂಟ್ಗೆ ಏನದು ರೆಕ್ಕೆ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಮಸ್ಕಿಟೋ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಫ್ ಐ ಡ್ರಾ, ಇಫ್ ಯು ಡ್ರಾ wings to the ant, then it becomes look like, yes, mosquito. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, so I wrote mosquito here. See, first one is mosquito, second page ಅಲ್ಲಿ. Next one is what will happen? See, what is this? H-O-U, yes, E, house. F-L-Y, fly. House fly. Here I draw 4 wings. But here I'll write only 2 wings. 2 wings. This becomes housefly. So they are asking what? Write the names of any 3 creatures. Creatures means animals. Small animals. Similar to an ant. Ant ತರನೇ ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಇರೋದು. ಅದು ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಇವಾಗ, ಆಯ್ತಾ? Next one is, which one? Butterfly. Very colorful butterfly. Then you write very big 2 or 4 wings. If you draw, this is becomes butterfly. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? ನಾನು ಅದನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ನಾನು ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ. I have wrote 3 creatures similar to an ant. So this is finished, but you must copy this in the textbook. Okay, now this page has finished. Now see, this one is you must write and send it to assignment group. This also you should write. Then this one already I have done. ನಾನು ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಇದ್ದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ವಾಟ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಟೆಲಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಯು ದಟ್ those ants are ants. These are ants, no? I make it as different creatures. Different creatures here. I made it. Have you seen here? So, mosquito, housefly, and butterfly. These 3 creatures and ant also have 6 legs. and 6 legs and 2 feelers. feelers feelers ಮುಂದೆ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಅದನ್ನ ಆಂಟನಾ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ, ಫೀಲರ್ ಅಂತಾನೂ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. Okay, shall we go to next page now? Move to next page. Okay, next page came 3 animals, 3 small animals. First one is right, cockroach. Second one is correct, mosquito. Then third one is what? What? Grasshopper. See, like grass color, green color it has. Okay. Now you must write here. Here its name. Which one is the here? Cockroach. Second one is mosquito. Third one is grasshopper. Grass ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ, ಹುಲ್ಲು ಹಸಿರು ಕಲರ್ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಕಲರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಓದ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್, ಯು ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ ಇನ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್, ಯು ಆರ್ ಸ್ಟಡಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್, ಯು ಮಸ್ಟ್ ನೋ ದಿಸ್. ಸಿ, ದ ಬಾಡಿ ಆಫ್ ದೀಸ್ animals is small. I told you, no? I told. These are very small body creatures. These have small body. So, these have 6 legs. Look here, children. It has 1 leg, 2 leg, 3 leg, and that side 4 leg. Here 5, and this one is 6. Here 2 are feelers. These are 2 feelers. It has also feeler. Then it has feelers. See how long. See, long feelers it has. The cockroach has long feelers. 1, 2 legs, 3, and that side 4th leg. Here 5, and that side 6 legs. All insects. These are all called insects. Small animals are called insects. Okay, once again I will read. The body of these animals is small. These have also, these have 6 legs and a pair. Pair means 2. 2 ಗೆ pair ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Pair of feelers 2. See, TWO2, TOO2. Okay. Have you not seen the legs and feelers of mosquitoes and cockroaches? Have you not seen? You have seen. Nodilla andre nodi. If you have not seen, today onwards you must see. Okay. You just don't touch. ದೂರದಿಂದನೇ ನೋಡಬೇಕು, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? Then here 10 insects you must write here. I will not write. You must write it and send it in the WhatsApp group. Okay, assignment group you must send this one. Shall we go to next page? Okay, here ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಏನಿದು. ಕಾಕ್ರೋಚ್, ಮಸ್ಕಿಟೋ, ಗ್ರಾಸ್ಹೋಪರ್, ಹೌಸ್ ಫ್ಲೈ, ಬೆಡ್ ಬಗ್, ant. But these words, do you know? I don't know. See, honeybee. Oh, I said housefly here, not housefly. Honeybee, grasshopper, mosquito, ant, cockroach, bedbug. See, here match these names by drawing lines. Only you must draw the lines. You got this? Yes, cockroach. Next one is, ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು. I know. Very good, children. See, mosquito. Then others, I will not write. I will not drag the lines. So you must only draw the lines. You draw lines and then send it in the assignment group. Next page, shall we go? Okay, next page. See, How nice page is this, you know? ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ? ಪೇಂಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ, ಕಲರ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ತಂಬ್ಗೆ ಪೇಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಟೇಕ್ ಒನ್ ಪೇಂಟ್, ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಪೇಂಟ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಇಷ್ಟು ದಪ್ಪದ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ತಗೋಬೇಡಿ. ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಡಬ್ಬಿ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಯು ಟೇಕ್ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಪೇಂಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಚ್ಚಬೇಕು ಪೇಂಟನ್ನ. ಅಪ್ಲೈ with the finger and then press on the paper. Then you draw this one. See, like this, and draw a mouth, and here draw fin. Here, see. Then you will get complete small fish. ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಆಟ ಆಡಕ್ಕೆ. ಮಾಡಿ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ so many animals they have given only by thumb impression. Then you must do this one. First one is snake, next one is owl, then this is snail. Snail. This one is, yes, tortoise. This is a bird. This is a fish. So 6 animals you must do, you must draw and enjoy. Then in the next class I will tell next page. Okay, until then, bye bye, take care, bye.